it's Lisa from JoyfullyArt, here to do another video for you. This is 11 by 14 canvas, and I'm going to attempt to do a feather. I've got my strings here. Okay, and I want to show you the hot fire that I did last time. I fiddled with it a little more after the camera went off. There was too much blue and it didn't look right. So now it's just a hint. You can just barely see the blue in it. And it turned out so pretty. I haven't varnished it or anything, and I don't know if I'm going to varnish it or resin it. So if anybody's interested, just look in the description box below any video and you'll find my contact information. So let's get on with the next. The background for this is going to be this pewter color from Art Minds. And I hope that I have enough. I think I probably do. Better move my strings so I don't get this color paint on them. I don't want to flood it terribly. It doesn't pull right. So I want to be careful with it. The strings just kind of drag in between. I think this pewter is such a pretty color. It's not really blue, but it's just kind of a color all of its own. I have to find me a scraper, or not a scraper, spreader that I really like. I just can't seem to get my niche with them. My watch just dinged for some reason. I got a notification for something. I've never had one before, but my husband's had 2 or 3 of the Apple watches. I'd never been interested in one, and then all of a sudden I thought, well, why not? I'll get one. And I got it. I've had it about 3 weeks, I think, and after I had it 1 week, I got a big scratch on the screen. Leave it to me. I don't know how I got it. Luckily, it's down at the bottom so that you can't see it. It didn't do the inside. I'll tell you what my colors are when I'm using them, but for the I got a big glob right here. Look at that. Terrible. So there's no more. But for the company's name and everything about them, I will put them in the description box below. I think I'm going to move this over just a little bit so you can see what I'm. Let's just flip it over. Ready? Doink. Sorry on that it didn't work out, but I haven't done one in a long time, and I think I got too much of a base coat. I have to try one with a brighter base coat, so it's not so dark. Let's see what we can do with this. Let's give it a torch. Lots of air bubbles. Very pretty colors though. Okay, are we ready for this? Let's get rid of that flunky feather. Whoa. Crash. That's all right. Just knock something over. It'll be all right. Let's see where we're at. Go back this way. I want that to go over that corner, I think. Yeah, there we go. Bringing it back this way a little bit. Are you seeing what I'm doing up here? I get confused with the TV. Oh, goodness. Oh. That did turn out really pretty, though, for just a dirty pour. My goodness. Let me see. Some over there that needs covered. That is so pretty. My gracious, I'm glad that that didn't work out for a feather, because that really turned out pretty. This corner is not going to stay covered. Let's see if we can we can make it go down a little bit to cover that. Can you see that corner? It's not covering well. And you can do it. Come on. There it goes, I think. There it goes. There, that'll be better. Oh my goodness, I love it. That is so gorgeous. Now this corner is not covered. One thing or another, isn't it? Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Let me wipe my hands off so I can give it a torch. I cleaned off my torch the other day and I don't really want to have to do that again. It was a mess. Okay, give it one final torch. See what we come up with. Beautiful. Here's my close-up for you. Look at that. Some cells are popping up. That is so beautiful. Well, I'm sorry about the feather. I'm gonna have to practice on that. Like I said, I haven't done one for quite a while. The set that I made, it did sell. So I'm gonna have to practice on it, and I will bring it back to you again in a different video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your family and friends. I sure appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. That helps in my placement on YouTube. And I hope everyone's being safe. I know that it gets boring once in a while, but we have to abide by the rules, I guess. And that's about all. I sure appreciate all my subscribers, and I sure appreciate the new ones that will subscribe. So, as always, please have a great day.